In this video, I'm sharing science-backed, proven hacks that make it easy to slim down without feeling like you're trying too hard. These tips are simple, practical, and guaranteed to help you achieve that slim body you've been dreaming of. Hack 1. Keep your insulin levels low during your sleep. Low levels mean fat-burning mode. If you have late-night cravings, no problem. Opt for snacks that keep your insulin levels low to support your body's fat-burning hormones. Try chia pudding, homemade high-protein ice cream, Greek yogurt with low-sugar fruits like berries, or cottage cheese. Biltong is another great option. Drinks that lower your insulin levels are green tea, cinnamon tea, ginger tea, diluted apple cider vinegar water, hibiscus tea. These choices help stabilize your blood sugar and boost your metabolism. Also, eating balanced meals is also another effective way to support fat-burning hormones. Make sure your meals have a mix of carbs, fiber, and protein. So from today, I'd like you to focus on adding your fiber and protein intake into your meals. Hack 2. Turn high-calorie foods into low-calorie versions. You don't have to give up your favorite foods, just make them smarter. Swap deep-fried chips for grilled or air-fried ones. For example, these are fries with only 2 tablespoons of oil, and these also are very low-calorie chips that won't stand in your way of getting slim. Instead of sugary ice cream, whip up a high-protein version at home. Cooking your own meals is key because takeaways often hide extra calories. Homemade meals let you control what goes in, keeping things light and healthy. Hack 3. Pack your lunch. Whether you're heading to school, work, or running errands, always pack a lunch. I used to buy takeaways just because I was hungry, not because I craved them. Packing a meal saves you from those calorie-heavy impulse buys. It's a game changer for your weight loss journey or to maintain a slim figure. Hack 4. Eat mindfully, listen to your body. If you're full, put the food away, it's not going anywhere. Eat only when you're truly hungry, not just to finish what's on your plate. For example, if you usually eat 3 meals a day, but aren't hungry at lunchtime, it's okay to skip it. Mindful eating helps you avoid unnecessary calories. Hack 5. Walk more. You don't need a gym to burn calories. Just increase your daily steps. Walking 10,000 steps a day can burn roughly 9,000 to 15,000 calories a month. That's a huge boost without any formal exercise. Try parking farther away, taking stairs, or going for a short walk during breaks. Hack 6. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is your secret weapon. It regulates hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control cravings. Good sleep also balances cortisol, reducing fat storage, especially around your belly. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to keep your metabolism on track. Hack 7. Drink enough water. Water isn't just for hydration, it can boost your metabolism. Studies show drinking water increases your body's calorie-burning activity. Keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day to stay energized and support weight loss. Hack 8. Consistency over perfection. You don't need a perfect lifestyle to get slim. It's all about consistency. Some days, you might not follow all these hacks, and that's okay. Even picking 3 or 4 of these habits will get you closer to your goal. Small, steady changes make a big difference over time. And there you have it, 8 easy hacks to get slim or stay slim without exercise or diets. Try incorporating a few of these into your routine and let me know in the comments which ones you will be implementing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you in the next one.